In this video, we will show you how to reset the camera settings of your Samsung Galaxy A73. This will fix any problem you might have encountered while using the camera of your phone. There are a couple of methods we want to show you, and the first one is done through the camera app itself. So as long as you can access the camera app and it won't crash, feel free to use this method. To begin, launch the camera. Tap the gear icon at the top left corner of the screen to open the camera settings. Scroll all the way down to find Reset Settings and then tap on it. Tap Reset to confirm, and all the settings of the camera app will then be brought to factory defaults. The other method can be done through the Settings menu. So go back to the home screen, and then tap and hold the camera icon until the options window shows. Now tap the app info icon to open the settings. As you can see, you can actually access the camera settings from this screen, but that's not what we're going to do. Instead, scroll down a bit to find storage, and once found, tap on it. Tap Clear Cache first, and then tap Clear Data. You can then tap OK to confirm you want to reset the app. Whatever camera problem you're currently experiencing will be fixed by this procedure. So we hope that this tutorial can help you. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. And thanks for watching.